Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use your NinjaTrader, and it's pretty simple. So right here we are in a demo account and we're not going to use a live account for showing off what this does. So NinjaTrader is basically just your trading platform basically for your indices and financials, currencies, energies and metals. So I think you can add crypto if I'm not mistaken right here. Yeah, cryptocurrencies are right here, so you can add some cryptocurrencies if you want to, but I don't think they're actually that widespread right here. But let's go ahead and check out. So right here, you will have basically two charts. The first chart will have your mini S&P 500, and you can have another one right here. This is going to be up to you. You can add one right here in the new tab basically, and then here you can check out the price. By default, you can also check out the chart settings, candlestick settings, configure this all. You can remove the Bollinger Bands, SMA, RSI right here, and you can also do the same right here. So if you prefer a different type of trading, you can also do so. There's volume, average directional index, TMA, and many much more. So this is already right here. And let's just say you want to buy in a price right here. So you can buy one limit, buy one order if you want to do so right here. So let's just check this out. So from here, we are gonna do a market order for 100 quantity right here. So buy. So it's gonna say order rejected, and because the order was rejected because you don't have enough balance right here, so you will have to reduce your quantity or size position. So if you do one, it's gonna push through. So I don't know why the order rejected right there, because maybe there's no actual person buying it in the other side. So it will inform you when your actual position is closed or even just filled. So it's gonna see order filled basically. So you can add a new tab right here. So let's do Bitcoin. So if you want to do Bitcoin right here, buy one market, as you can hear, it said order filled. So you will see your PNL here basically, and it's rising, and unrealized PNL is just shown right here. So as you can see, it will change through time, of course. And then if you want to close your position, it's gonna say order filled, and basically I just lost that amount of money because that wasn't really a gain, that was unrealized loss. So there you go. It's pretty simple to use this. Here you will see your market analyzer. You can search for your own symbol. Here you can choose your orders and check out your orders and what happened with them and their price and their positions. It was a filled, great time, time in force, positions that you are right in right now, order tickets right here. If you want to do a limit order, you can also do here. And then here you can check on trading. If you want to do advanced, you can even send this right here, and you can check out the advanced section. But I don't really know how to use the advanced section too, but this is only for beginners. So there you go, guys. That is how you use your NinjaTrader for beginners, and it's really simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.